Best Wix alternatives. Hey guys, today I'm going to be talking about the best alternatives you can use to develop your website instead of using Wix. Now, you might be wondering why I am recommending alternatives to Wix. Well, the Wix platform might be very powerful, it might seem very efficient, but it is something that you can easily mess up. The Wix platform will require you to do double the editing because their desktop and mobile views are quite different, so you will have to edit your website accordingly. So the first drawback of Wix is double the editing. Secondly, on Wix it's very customizable, and that might seem like a great thing at first, but you can easily mess up items on your website using this feature, because let's just say this is the image that I have placed over here in between this like green path, and if I were just to move it like here, it's just going to move up and it's going to block my text. And that is how easily you can mess up your entire web design, because Wix adapts to your editing and it will allow you to make these foolish kinds of edits, and that will destroy your entire website. So that's why I would say that you should move away from Wix and take a look at the other alternatives that I'm just going to tell you guys about. So first off, we have Squarespace. Now, Squarespace is actually a paid website builder, so it's not for free, but Squarespace is very fantastic. Now, Squarespace has 4 basic plans, but they do provide a 14-day trial period, but you won't have any kind of free program, so you can't really use Squarespace for free. But if you are someone that is looking for the highest value for your money, you're going to get that on Squarespace, and let me show you how. Now, this is just a template provided by Squarespace, and you can see how professional it looks. Everything is arranged in a very nice manner. There isn't a large icon that is constantly dictating you that this website was created by Squarespace. It just has a tiny little text at the end that will say that this website was made using Squarespace. On the left, you will see different pages that you can add to your navigation or your home page. And then you have your design, so whatever kind of customization you might want to do in that. So you can change your browser icon, your checkout page, your access denied screen. Everything can be customized using here. So if you just click on that, you will get an option to add your browser icon or favicon. But the great part about Squarespace is, unlike Wix, it won't allow you to make changes that are inconsistent with the overall editing and alignment of your website. So that's very efficient. Secondly, Squarespace does provide you with a basic kind of domain. So does Wix, and so do all of these other websites, but I think the best ones are provided by Squarespace. Now, moving on to the second alternative I have instead of Wix, it is Site123. Now, this is a website that I have created using Site123, and if you are a beginner, you will love this, because Site123 just provides you with a form, you could say, and you just fill it out, and then your website is created for you. So you can see, I'm just going to return to the Site123 dashboard and show you guys how quick and easy it is to create a website using this program. You just click on New Website, Create New Website. Then you're just going to tell Site123 what kind of website you want. So if you just want a blog, you're going to click on that. You're just going to enter whatever kind of blog you want. So I'm just going to say food. I'm going to say open a website. And now Site123 is going to do all of the hard work for me. So if you're a beginner, you have no coding experience, you have no prior experience in designing web designs or even any kind of creative experience, I would definitely suggest that you take a look at Site123. And now you're just going to take a look at the different templates that are available. And here you have a food and nutrition template. Once I just click this template, it's going to be applied on my website and I can just publish it. And just like that, my website has been published. This is the link or domain name that they provide. The domain name is the drawback on Site123. If you want to purchase any of these, that is totally up to you. But to get started with a free website, I think this is a very good option. And it looks very professional, it's very easy to use, and it won't take a lot of your time. Now, if you're looking for more free website builders, Next up, we have Weebly. Now, Weebly is also pretty great. It's generally a good website builder. It has a bunch of themes. It provides you with all of the basic features, but I would say if you're really gonna opt for Weebly, you might as well just either go for Site123 or just go with Squarespace. And after that, we have GoDaddy. So GoDaddy is a really popular platform used for domain name purchase, but it can also be used to build your own website. And you can see I have created a website using GoDaddy, and it's pretty efficient. It's pretty easy to use. I'm just gonna show you guys how the website editing works on GoDaddy. Now you can see over here my website is loading. And this is the website that I've created. This is the general navigation that you have that you can change everything from. And just like how, Wix is very customizable, this will allow you customization to a certain degree. After that, you can't really just, move this image to the top headboard or try to make this text go over here and roam it around here. On GoDaddy, if you really want to move, you can just move blocks from here to there. So, I can move this down. I can move this up, and like that you can edit your different blocks. It doesn't allow you to edit, individual tiny little things that could ruin the overall look of your website. So moving on, what is my last recommendation as a website builder instead of Wix? Well, last is Google Sites. Now you might have heard of it. Google Sites is also very easy and efficient to use. It is also free, so you can easily use all of their templates that they have. I've also created a similar website on Google Sites, and you can see it's pretty simple. The drawback I must add for Google Sites is that it doesn't have a lot of template variety, and you might not be able to have dynamic websites. So if you're looking for a clean and clear look on your website, you want it to remain neat, you don't want too much pop of color, or you don't want it to be too flashy, you don't want it to be too flamboyant, I would say go for Google Sites. And it is especially good if you're doing article writing or you're running some kind of news blog. Google Sites is very good to use in that case. Now, these all were site builders. Now, alongside your online website, you might want to create your online store as well, or you might want to integrate your store into your website. For that purpose, I am going to tell you two websites. First off, you have Ecwid, which is a free e-commerce platform. So you can start selling your products on your website by linking your Ecwid store for free without any extra cost. So that is a great option if you're also looking to sell products on your website. And this is what the Ecwid dashboard looks like. It's pretty easy to use. You just have your sales, catalogs, reports, and all that stuff on the left. And you have your account details at the bottom. You have your shipments, payments, and all that. So it's good to sell products using Ecwid, especially if you're looking for a free e-commerce platform. But if you're looking for something a bit more premium, a bit more exclusive, you also have Shopify. Now, Shopify is probably the best online e-commerce store that you could avail, but it is not available for free. They do provide a 14-day free trial, but they are priced at $30 a month for the basic Shopify version. And if you're looking to have your business running for a long time and you expect to generate a lot of sales, I would say integrate your website with Shopify. It's going to help you out a lot, and it's going to save you a lot of money as well because they do provide exclusive shipping programs and all of that good stuff. So that was my video on the best website builders on 2021, and I will catch you guys in the next video.